There are a whole number of smart speakers available in the market, but the good ones cost at least 10,000. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can make your normal speaker a Google Assistant built-in smart speaker. To make the smart speaker, we will be connecting a smartphone with the speaker itself, and you will require an extra smartphone with Google Assistant in it. I'm gonna link some budget smartphones in the description below in case you wanna check those out. Now let's start with the things you need to do to make the smart speaker. First, you need to go to the smartphone settings and search for an option called sleep or screen timeout. Set the screen timeout to never and go back to the Play Store and download an application called Hide Screen. This application turns your display off while all the activities are running in the background and saves a lot of battery. Once you open the application, just click on Start and enable these permissions. Now go back and again click on the Start and you will see a floating icon on the side of your screen. Once you click on the floating icon, it will turn your display off and you can wake up the screen again by double tapping on it. Now you are all done with the smartphone and you just need to connect your speaker with it. You can do it by an aux cable or a Bluetooth receiver. I will link some good budget speakers and all these products in the description below. You also need to connect your smartphone with the charger as it will be on all the time. You also need to remember some points like the phone volume is turned up and OK Google command is enabled. Now click on the hide screen icon, and when the screen is turned off, you can use your speaker as a smart speaker.
Hey Google, sing a song.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and they all shared dessert with one spoon.
Hey Google, what's up?
It's Women's History Month, and to celebrate, I'm sharing stories from women who work in the technology industry. If you'd like to hear stories like this, just say, Happy Women's History Month.
So that's for today guys. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you love it, and share if you feel it.